Hello guys, welcome back to Riki's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make the tastiest and easy Milo ice cream without using any special machine. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. In a medium bowl, add 130 grams of condensed milk, followed by 600 grams of Milo, and mix the two ingredients very nice. Make sure the condensed milk and the Milo is well mixed like this. In another separate bowl, add 2 boxes of heavy cream, which is about 400 milliliter. Then you'll take your hand mixer, whisk the heavy cream, starting with a low speed, ending with a higher speed, till the heavy cream double size and become thick like this. The thickness of the cream has to be thick like this. Then you'll add the Milo mixture into the heavy cream and mix everything well and nice. Once everything is well mixed, take a medium-sized container and add the ice cream into the container and freeze it for 8 hours or more. And after some hours, your Milo ice cream is ready. As you can see in the video, this ice cream is so delicious. And serve your ice cream in bowls and enjoy your Milo ice cream. And my tasty Milo ice cream is ready. As you can see in the bowl, look how delicious the ice cream is, and enjoy your Milo ice cream. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.